I'm on my front porch. Getting a reading of 61 decibels. Now I can prove this meter is not directional, compared to a radar gun, which is directional. If there were multiple cars, you could point it at each car and get a different reading. Point it in the air at no car and get 0. But these decibel meters are not directional, so they can give you a reading but cannot identify what's causing the reading. Proving that meter is not directional. Now, the tech support of the company that makes this meter confirms that not only are the Milton police using the meter incorrectly, but the correct way to use the meter is you have to eliminate the suspect noise. And then if the level drops or changes when you turn the suspect noise on or off, that tells you that's what the noise was. So again, 61. It did drop 5 decibel levels. So I'm pretty sure it was the car. But it's still over 55 decibels, which is the limit after 10 p.m. No. Could it be the heat pump? Turn off heat pump. Heat pump off. So that proves it was the heat pump too. So that proves that just by standing in one spot, you cannot identify the source of the noise. Only after eliminating noises can you then identify the noise. And the Milton police, they just stand at the property line and do 1 to 3 readings, and they stop there. If they get over 55, they issue a citation or write an affidavit that can lead to your arrest. They do not do the critical second step by eliminating the noise, which proves what was causing their reading. This also proves that their limit of 55 decibels is so low, any common noise, such as a car engine or heat pump, could be giving the reading, and it could be the reason for them issuing a citation or an affidavit because of a car engine or heat pump. And it could be the officer's own car engine because they do not shut them off.